This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie.howlett. Fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-bath south-facing condo with large private balcony. Flooded with natural light, this home boasts an open floor plan including a dedicated dining area, large kitchen island and spacious living room. The row at Ghent is a controlled access building and has a gated garage with 2 assigned garage parking spaces for unit. The tranquil courtyard boasts both a grilling area and several lounge areas. For more information, review the details below.